walking. Pwede siya walking.
Hi! Do you want to explore and know the animals here in Malabon Zoo? Come experience wildlife.
Hi again. The history of Malabon Zoo began on a hunting trip in the red tropical rainforest of Mindoro. That was Mr. Tanco's father, the hunter. Mr. Manny Tanco, he is the owner of Malabon Zoo, was an animal lover. That was 41 years ago when he was 5 years old. This zoo is conceptualized to Noah's Ark. So, let's look around. The first stop, the grizzly bear. The scientific name of this bear is Urtus arctos. His habitat or her habitat is semi-open country, usually in mountainous areas. All of us know our bears, carnivores. The fact, the grizzly bear is primarily nocturnal and in the summer puts on up to 180 kilograms. To convert to pound is 400. Brown bear are most solitary, although they gather in the large numbers at major food sources and form social hierarchy based on age and size. So, see the next one.
Pause na yun.
Hey, again? Come. You want to see something fun? Come here. Orangutan's gonna feed, man. Come on. So, let's wait for a moment until the feeder will feed the orangutan. So, about this animal, so big. Look, focus on this. Oh, that's what you call the orangutan, man. So, look, he's eating some kind of buko thing. I mean coconut in English, okay? Okay, let's picture the feeder. Picture the feeder.
Madadali niyo lahat yan?
Excuse me.
Pananghalian lang po yan.
Pananghalian? Anong pananghalian
That's
ka?
his or her lunch.
Ba't may sesto para sa akin talaga yan?
Inumin.
Wala pang ang gito.
Marunong.
Focus.
Ito yung lalaki na babae yun. Kalo siguro.
Straight from a while.
Sesto.
Ay! Ina, marunong eh.
Come on. Come there.
Ay, marunong din magbukas.
Oh man. And he's opening the papaya thing. Cut into pieces.
Ang pangalan niya, Kaloy?
Kaloy.
Tumapon na yung sesto.
Eh, dala-dala.
Oh man.
Hindi yung pwede tukutin niya pag naagaw yung kamay mo. Hindi man.
Oo.
Putol niya.
Puto lang kamay mo.
Malakas siya.
Focus on that.
Times 7 nun lakas sa tao, no? Eh?
According to
Yaw,
the feeder,
maambon.
says that
So talaga kaloy.
strength of the orangutan is 7 times on people.
Ay, yung tipe.
I mean 7 times people.
May pinya pa, pleto.
Hindi makita kasi yung mata.
Wala ka yun eh.
Mamaya kakainin.
Papalagay mo na yung lahat. Pag nalagay na lahat.
Hinihintay niya muna, no?
Utak, hindi pa handa yung pagkain niya lahat eh.
Baka daw agawan.
Kinukuha niya lang muna lahat, oh.
Sabi niya sa baba.
Dori, halika na.
Banana pa.
Ang daming pagkain niya na. Ay, Diyos ko po, ano ba yan?
Almusal niya po, sirila. Ano?
Serela?
Pananghalian niya, puro prutas.
Ano po
Kapuna
na?
naman, kanin sa itlog.
Huh?
So,
Sosi ah.
ang daming
Vitamins na po yan.
So that orangutan.
Ay, ano to niya?
Ang pagkain, no?
Malabong soup.
So, did you enjoy the view of Malabon Soup?